Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Melvin Williams coming to you with another video. I am currently at the construction site of the Children's Memorial Church of God in Christ Church. For history purposes, on the 1st of February 2013, our church caught fire and burned to the ground. And since that period of time, this is where we are in reference to our reconstruction, construction of our new edifice. I just wanted to come out, do a quick video, and let everyone see where we are, what's going on with the construction site. As you can see, construction workers out. We got some beams up, and everything is coming along just fine. I just want to come out and do a quick video and let the congregation see where we are. I might add that it's only been about 18, 19 months since our church burned down. Since that period of time, land has been procured. Architects have been hired to design the church for us. Construction company has been employed and are on the job, as you well see, along with the financing from the bank, all in about 18 or 19 months. The experts have said that in most cases, where we are as a church in our rebuilding process, normally takes anywhere from 4 to 5 years. So truly, God is blessing our church and blessing this congregation. I might add also under the leadership of our pastor, Bishop C.O.G.I.C, ably assisted, I might add, by Elder Daniel Warford Sr. and the congregation itself. We are really into this. This is going to be our new edifice. And as I forestated, when we move into our new edifice, it will be called Praise Cathedral Church of God in Christ. Just want to come out and do a quick video, let everybody see what's going on. I also want to get a picture, ladies and gentlemen, of how the church is going to look. This is the architect's drawing of the church. I'm going to get a little closer. This is how it is supposed to look. The name of the architectural firm, Bishop Samuel Edward Iglehart, future home of Children's Memorial Church of God in Christ. Continuing to look at the construction site, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very bad glare out here. I don't know how good this video is going to turn out because I'm having a problem with the glare, seeing exactly what I'm taking, so I'm going to do it anyway. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, progress is being made. Things are really beginning to take shape. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to point out that they have video cameras set up out here to protect the site, ensure that there is no vandalism or anything of that sort taken on. If it is, it will be duly filmed so that we can catch anyone that comes out here unauthorizedly so. There's a picture of some of the cameras that are installed out here protecting our investment. Just one more quick view, ladies and gentlemen, of the construction site. God is truly blessing this congregation. Just one last little shot of the surrounding area, and I'm going to close this video down. Just wanted to come out, as I forestated, do a quick video, and let everyone see where we are. Things are really looking good. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Melvin Williams. I'm going to close this video down.